Hey everybody, welcome back to Niko Brothers, and today's the day we are actually taking both the cars out to our local drag strip and we're gonna race them head to head. So two salvage vehicles, two supercars, supercharged that we repaired recently really fast, and let's take them out there. Hopefully nothing happens, but hey, like I said before, Team Garfield, or we got our black Camaro. Honestly, it's gonna be neck to neck because I don't race that much, so it's kind of comes down to the driver maybe, but mine's automatic with launch control. We got a straight drive with Ivan, but who knows? Honestly, leave some comments below. Who do you think is gonna win? Who looks better? We're gonna do a simple best 2 out of 3. We'll probably come out there, do a couple test runs real quick, get kind of warmed up with it, because like I said, it'll be our first time out there with these, so we'll make sure everything's all good and then just go at it. So best 2 out of 3, let's see who wins this. But yeah, I'm really stoked, really excited. Just the journey over there is gonna be fun. So call up some friends, and we also have a mystery driver that's coming, another vehicle that we fixed that might take both of them. So this is pretty crazy. Stay tuned to find out who that is. He's coming out, and it's gonna definitely be a challenge. So for both the vehicles, so it's gonna be a lot of fun. Let's go hit the road and get over there. What? You guys, look, check it out. Ivan's got shoes. Getting rid of his flip-flops because it gets down, it gets real when we're racing. Oh, now it matters.
You gotta be safe, you know?
He's safe, racing. Let's do it. Oh yeah.
It's not that loud.
Pretty loud. Pretty loud. Alright guys, we made it here safe and sound, not even speeding, maybe a little bit, but all good. It rained a little bit, so they're drying off the track real quick, so we're waiting for that to happen, but we're gonna get in line and make some runs. Honestly, I want to try it out before Ivan does, you know, get some quick pulls in. First time, I don't know, let's try it out, let's see what happens. All right, guys, I want to win. I read on Google, less air, the faster you go. So let's do it.
Hey, what if you had like no air, all metal, aluminum to aluminum?
I don't know. I didn't read that part. I'm going down like 15. We'll see.
How much you have in there? Like 40?
I have like good 50, man. No wonder I was spinning. I was spinning like just easing, you know. But okay, yeah. Let's just let go of some air. Good guys, first launch, not bad. Let's get better, let's get at it. Woo. update. Basically on my second run, still can't get the launch control figured out. This time I thought I had it, but then it basically timed out until before it actually said green light. I was like, oh no, so it timed out, it canceled, and then it goes green. I was like, ah, so it definitely didn't launch right, but I'm gonna get this timing right. I definitely wanna get this practice before I race Ivan, but man, getting there, a lot of fun. Overall, I'm super stoked that HELLCAT's doing great though. So far, no issues. It's really cool, not overheating, no problems. Just having a great time.
Alright, so I ran a really bad time. It just didn't want to launch it for some reason, so I'm going to try another setting, and we're going to try it again. So let's hit the road. Alright, so that was a pretty big fail, I gotta say. So we're going to try it again. I think I was having an issue with the traction control, but we'll try it again. Let's try it. Alright, so it looks like it's going to rain. The weather's not looking that good, lightning's hitting, so we're just going to do it. I got a bad pass, but you know, it is what it is. Alright, so it looks like it's raining a little bit. You see the glass? So they're holding us. Most likely it's going to be canceled. Not good.
Dang guys, we were so close, we were lined up, me and my brother right there neck to neck, and then it started raining on us and they shut us down. They said it's not safe to race, so we weren't actually able to go against each other, not even once. I basically had 3 test runs, I was ready to go, Ivan was ready, and they shut us down. But check out our mystery runner right here, the Tesla Model X. Oh yeah guys, if you remember that, we did the frame on it, we got it going, and it's ready. This thing is sweet, and honestly, all-wheel drive, electric 2 motor, I think it's probably fast, so who knows? Unfortunately, it wasn't able to take a pull, so we won because it's disqualified because the run time's 0. Just kidding, but overall, The cars did great. We had a great time, fun night, nothing bad happened. We're not broken down. The salvage title cars are still going strong, back to life, and we're happy. You know, that's awesome. Really, it's a good night.
We might have to go to Mexico though.
Mexico? Why are we going to Mexico?
Do some Mexican runs, you know?
There it is. Nah, we're good.
Not tonight, but maybe tomorrow.
Oh yeah. But yeah, it's raining on us. Let's get out of here. Alright guys, so that was a great night. We had a fun time out there, nothing bad happened. So I'm really happy about that. But let's go ahead and take the Camaro out for a spin. We can talk about the good, the bad, and actually do a price reveal, do a quick cold start on it. Man, I just love how this thing sounds since we, open up the exhaust on it. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump in and see what it sounds like. Alright guys, just driving the Camaro around, honestly, this definitely feels like a sports car. You're snug in the seat, everything is like up close, you got your paddles, even though you don't really need paddles, I don't know what they do, because, a manual kind of thing, but dang, definitely a sports car, like I said. You got an up-head display, so I can see the speed, I can see what direction I'm heading on the windshield glass. Really cool features. Dang, definitely slick design. I love all like the little trim they have, LED lights in the door. Honestly, I would say even looks better than the HELLCAT. More aggressive, more sporty for sure, but it is a little tighter, so I wouldn't say it's as comfortable as the HELLCAT. Just driving both cars back and forth, but man, it sounds so good for sure. Everybody's always looking, because you're just revving it, but it sounds really good. Let's go. We're gonna find a tunnel just so you can hear this exhaust. Oh yeah, it's actually got the dual exhaust, so they'll actually open up and close on I think after 3,000 RPMs. Or you can just take the little fuse out and then it's just open all the time, so you got your full throttle. But yeah, let's go ahead and see what it sounds like. Here we go. That's nice. That's nice. Oh yeah. Gotta get some new brake pads for sure, but awesome. Woohoo! They're moving. Man, I didn't even know I had a need for speed until I got in this thing. Woo! Overall, beautiful car. Definitely enjoy it. There's no need to be revving. It's just fun. All of a sudden you're going 40, 50, 60, 80, so it's like, all right, calm down, nice and easy. Dang, but somebody was daily driving this thing because we got a lot of miles on it, but man, I just love it. No check engine lights, no codes at all. Still got a low tire pressure from the drag strip, but we'll pump that up. No big deal. All right guys, let's go ahead and talk about the price. We revealed how much we got it for, basically $24,000 with a quarter repair damage, some suspension damage, and then we had to paint, blah, blah, blah. Basically came out to be close to $27,000 overall, but hey, not bad for 2018 ZL1. I mean, honestly, these things are going for like, what, $70,000? So we're about 30, 70. I think we're in the gold, we're in the win for sure. Salvage title, has high miles, so I don't know how much we're gonna be able to sell it for. They are for sale, everything's for sale, guys. We buy them, we fix them, we drive them around, have fun, and then we sell them, that's part of the game, move on, get a next build. Always gonna be another build, it's part of life. That's what we do here at Niko Brothers. But yeah, love it. Honestly, compared to the HELLCAT, kind of the same price range. We got it for cheaper, but it cost a lot more to repair because of all the damage all around, so we need to buy everything for the HELLCAT. So it's basically around the same price. I would say $26,000, $27,000 as well. So not bad price range. They're right there for each other. Watching a lot of videos because we didn't get to race them against each other, but they're still right there. Some people say the Camaro, some people say the HELLCAT. The Camaro's lighter, HELLCAT's a lot heavier, even though the horsepower, so they're basically right there, side by side. Plenty of power, honestly, top of line, fully loaded. I mean, honestly, great car to have. I mean, we still want to take them out to the drag strip or somewhere, we basically go head to head since we both built these cars. It'd be awesome to see. I don't know if we're gonna do a video about it, but make sure you guys check out our Instagram page. Maybe we'll do like a reel or a short or something and post it on there. So stay tuned with that. We do some little things that we do, posts on there that we can't put a YouTube video on. So yeah, stay tuned with that. We'll leave a link down below in the description. But thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure you stay tuned. Leave some comments below what kind of new sports cars you guys want us to fix, or some campers if you're mixing our camping world. You know, we're doing that too on the side. We kind of do all things, you know. It's not just limited to sports cars. So we do everyday drivers, we do, you know, old projects, new projects, all sorts of things. But leave comments below what you want to see built next. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you next time.